Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm gonna do a double unboxing video for you, and I'm just so excited because these are just two items that I absolutely love, and immediately when I saw it I just knew that I couldn't pass off for these two items. So if you enjoy these kind of videos, do consider subscribing, liking, or comment down below as well. So let's get started. So the very first unboxing would be my LV multi-pochette. Man, I have been lusting over this for the last 6 to 8 months, ever since I saw it out trending on Instagram. It is beautiful. I decided to just take it out from the box because it's just easy. I have already used this for about a week so far, and I just love it. It is so cute. I'm not sure if you guys know, but it is 3 in 1. So there's 3 pouches, and that's why it's called a multi-pochette. And it comes with 2 straps. One is a gold chain as well as a khaki strap, and it has like this one. So I think what I love about this is the versatility of this item. It is really flexible. I could just bring it out. I could take this out if I wanted to. I could strap it together with the gold chain if I wanted to. I could use the khaki strap if I'm bored of the gold chain and I just want a little bit of a change up, especially loving small mini bags at the moment, and I've been reaching a lot from my Nano Speedy as well as my minis and wallet on chain from Chanel. So I think this is just a perfect addition to my collection. Even though it is more of a trendy piece, it's a little bit more youngish, I would say. It probably suits like a 20 to 30-year-old girl, lady, anyone, right? Even a guy as well if they wanted to. I'll probably remove some of the chain so I could show you how I use it recently. So this is the mini pochette, and this is the chain that it comes with. It is gold and it is very cute, very thin. I don't really feel that there's a lot of weight in it. So without the chain it would look like that. This cannot be removed. This as well, so it just stays within the bag, and it comes with a zip, of course. And there is a serial code number in the smaller chain, in the smaller bag. It does not have any tags here, just the serial code. And let me just show you how I've been using this bag recently. I use this bag for out for lunch, running errands. I recently met my mom, and yeah, so she's been loving this as well. I mean, you know, she's like in her 60s and she feels like this bag is just super versatile. It is cute. And yeah, I told her that, you know, she could use my bag anytime she wanted to. So I put my wallet in here as well as my tissues, and that's pretty much about it. I don't use lipsticks anymore. Not at the moment because we're all wearing masks. This is the second pouch. So this is how it looks like without any chain or strap. This cannot be removed. You can actually carry it as a clutch as well if you wanted to, but I personally don't carry it this way. If you feel like you want to use the chain for this, then you have to buy a separate circle chain because this obviously cannot collapse onto the second pouch. That's just something to keep in mind. I knew this before I got the item. Like, I saw a couple of YouTube videos, especially Jerusha Couture. She did a whole comprehensive video about this bag, and she pointed out that the chain, especially the gold chain, cannot be kind of fixed onto the just a FYI. This is the other piece that it comes with, and this is really solid. I love the khaki strap as well. I'll just show you a little bit more close-up pictures. It has a star going on. It has how many LV signs? So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's about like 5 LV logos And it's a bit understated as well. I feel like khaki is a little bit more understated. Gold hardware, of course. This is a monogram, bigger version, and then there's like a smaller version as well. So it's like a little cute piece. This is removable. Let me just show you how it looks like when it's removed. And I could fit my mask here. So there was this time when I went out to get some lunch and we decided to eat in the restaurant. I decided to just like take out my mask, put it here inside and just zip it up. It kind of falls at this side, so it was really handy. It was just so easy to get in and out of, you know, the bag. It's all compartmentalized, which just makes it a lot easier as well, because you just know where all your things are and all your items are. So you could probably use this and hook it on any other bags that you have. This is like a little bag charm, so it's quite cute. Just love this piece. Definitely not an item that I regret. An item that I'll definitely be using. I could possibly use this for my other bags. Let me show you. So I brought my Pochette METIS in reverse monogram. It matches. I think it really matches, right? It's really cute. And it just goes around, so it doesn't really stop at one place. It's all reversible. The chain strap. Yay! Very versatile piece, right, to have in your collection, especially this strap. And the next item in my unboxing would be my Chanel piece that I just got yesterday from Marina Bay Sands Boutique. Yes, this is not an impulse purchase. This is really a piece that I've been eyeing for some time and I've been loving from afar. The big reveal. The essay actually put all the items inside, so I've got my receipt, I've got my care card, the bag. Oh my gosh. It still smells fresh from the boutique. It smells. You guys do the same thing as well. Like you get a bag that you love, you just got it from the store and you just like going home and you're kind of like smelling it because it's just like absolutely divine. Yes, I got this. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Okay, I love this piece. It is immaculate. I have no words, guys. I have no words. Yeah, it's a caviar black clutch in gold hardware. The details is beautiful. It even has like a CC logo over here, and absolutely gorgeous. I love this. It's super buttery as well. I foresee myself putting my wallet in here. It comes with an authenticity card. It's a 30 series. Also really light, really handy. It is thin enough to just, you know, get into my tote bag, and I think that's one of the criteria as well, especially when I decided to go for a clutch bag like this. If you've seen one of my other videos where I've sold an item which is an LV clutch, the reason why I sold that clutch was because it was a little bit thicker around the edges, and I knew that if I wanted to get another clutch in the future, the item has to be a lot thinner. And because if you're really just holding it around, you're going out shopping, you're literally just like clasping it on your arm, right? And you need this area to be comfortable, especially, and it's not like bulgy kind of at the top, so it really has to be thin and easy bag to hold around or even clutch around your arm. So I think something about this is that I feel that it's really soft, it's squishy, it is not rigid. The caviar is a bit thinner and it's a little bit more shiny, and I decided on a gold hardware. They've got some silver pieces as well as gold pieces at the Marina Bay store at the moment, so there's just a lot of stock, guys. If you're based here in Singapore at the moment, I think it's really a great time to just go to the boutique and just have a look at what you like. I saw a Chanel 19 clutch as well, so possibly you can get your hands on it. Let me just see what it fits in. So it fits my wallet. I've got my wallet right here. Yes, it does. It does fit my wallet. Let's see if it falls. Oh, it doesn't. That's perfect. Just look at how versatile it is. Highly recommend this. If you do like this kind of videos, do consider subscribing, liking, or commenting down my channel as well. I would really love to hear what are your favorite pieces in your current collection at the moment, and what are some pieces that you're just eyeing and you're just looking forward to have in your collection. So stay tuned for more. Bye!